Hi everyone, it's Marian. So welcome to a day in the life vlog ish. I haven't done a vlog like outside of my home ever since I moved, so I figured we're gonna do one. It's spring officially, and during this time a lot of garden centers are doing their gardening sales. Like Lowe's has a really good one, but right now we're gonna stop by Walmart first because a lot of people are finding good stuff at Walmart. But the thing with my Walmart over here is they never have good stuff. Like ever since I started gardening and collecting houseplants, they never really have any good stuff. But like I said, since along the way, let's go check it out. And since it's the start of the gardening season, they might have something good. But we're gonna stop by Lowe's and Home Depot and maybe even Goodwill just to find some stuff for my backyard and my home as well. So let's go. So as expected, there was nothing there. Our Walmart is trash. So I'm off to Home Depot, Goodwill, and then Lowe's. So today is actually Easter, and I keep forgetting that Goodwill and Salvation Army are like Christian stores as well. So they're closed for today. I'm turning around to Home Depot and let's see what they have. I swear in previous seasons when they were selling this, it's not $70. It was like $20 or something. 30 the most. But $70? This one is pretty. $130. Jesus. Head to the nursery. Herbs and stuff, I'd rather go to the farmer's market near me because they have cheaper ones, and especially with basil you could easily propagate them, so you don't really need to buy a big one. Like this marigold, it's like $1.98 each, so it's $8 for just like about 4 plants. And the one that I seeded was like 50 cents, and I was able to like grow a dozen of them. So marigolds, grow them from seeds. Like this one, annual 8-pack, $3.98. This one makes sense buying a seedling, so it's like 50 cents each. And if you don't want to wait for them to like grow, this makes sense. For $4, I think that's a good deal. Like I couldn't resist. They were like overwatering the Majesty palm. I'll take it out of the pot. It is on sale at Lowe's. I think it's buy 3 get 3, so I'm getting that over there instead. This one is $30 and it's 10% off. Oh, they have peonies. Full sun. How much is it? $17. I don't know if it's worth $17 to be honest. I might just dig up the ones that I have in my old place. Cushion. It's a perennial. I feel like perennials are worth buying because they come back every year. Annuals, not so much. Trick seed, I love this flower. This inevitably go on sale, but for $30, I'm very tempted to get Boston ferns or Australian ferns for the backyard. They're expensive, but this is the cheapest one that I found. It's for like $11. But everything else, like look at the prices. Got the house plants. Because the backyard is south facing, something like this would actually probably do really well outside. Like this one, but $35, $45. I don't know about that. Golden pothos on a pole. Dagon fern. $13. Probably do well outside too. Pileas, not gonna lie, tempted to grow pileas again, but we will see. I actually do want to buy a Majesty palm for the backyard, but maybe once on clearance because I'm not paying full price for this. They're just gonna die at the end of the year. They have an Adansonii. This one's $20. A Birkin. In Congo, Ficus benjamina, Acacia colcata, and what is this? Okay, that's the name. I'm not even gonna try to attempt it. They have this, but it's empty. The line was too long to purchase a bag of grass seed that I'm not really too keen on buying, so I'm just gonna head to Lowe's. So I turned the parking lot is empty, so I guess the Lowe's is closed too for Easter, so we're not stopping by here. Okay, let me go to TJ Maxx and see if they're open. I'm surprised Home Depot was open if like Lowe's is closed, but no wonder it's packed. But okay, so they just left the plants out here too. Like they're really confident about their security. But okay, so let's just go to I guess TJ Maxx or wherever we'll end up next. Honestly, didn't think businesses will be closed for Easter. Like, I know it's a big Christian holiday. I'm Catholic. Well, non-practicing Catholic. But I'm surprised that they are closed. I mean, it's not Christmas. I mean, they don't close for Ramadan or anything like that. So okay, let's see if TJ Maxx or anywhere else is open. Honestly, I don't think any business is open today because the parking lot is empty as well. I mean, there are some cars, maybe some businesses are, but I feel like everywhere is closed. Okay, let's see if TJ Maxx is open. I think they're closed too. Like, damn, when did you all become religious? So if TJ Maxx is open, Home Goods is open. They're owned by the same person. But if they are closed, nobody closes on Easter before. I swear to God, nobody did before. Oh, close Easter Sunday. So I guess Home Goods is closed too. PetSmart is open. I don't need anything for my dog though. Okay, so it is the next day, Easter Monday. Places are open back up. I hope. Right now I'm in the farmer's market near me, and if I'm gonna buy like transplants or seedlings, this is where I'm gonna buy it because A, it's cheaper than buying it at Lowe's or Home Depot, and they are grown a lot bigger. So I see that they have stuff out already in their greenhouse and outside of the greenhouse, and let's see if I could pick up something. I'm gonna get a rosemary because I just pulled out the rosemary that we had. It was really old, and this one is easier to buy as a seedling than trying to grow it from seed. So I want to get a lavender and a rosemary. Lemon basil, regular sweet basil, chamomile, vegetables as well, but with them I wait because they usually put them on sale later on the month, and these are summer plants, so I could wait until later to get them. I got corn, peppers. This one, a 4-pack is $2, so that's what I'm gonna get. Cold over this weekend, so I get why like some of these are yellowing, but I still want to pick out the best one. Grown not necessarily mean good. You have to look for the ones that haven't bolted yet. Like, see this one? Probably not a good one to have. This one is smaller compared to the others that I saw, but it's not bolted, so that's important. By Goodwill real quick. This one is still here, and I'm still thinking about it. That is $40. And today is half off for lavender. Maybe. At Goodwill, but we're gonna stop by Marshall's real quick and see what they have here.
I'm getting mulch. It's basically $10 for 5. So this one is $6.98 for a 6-pack tray of romaine lettuce. This is a not bad deal. Or I would buy it for a green leaf lettuce or a red leaf lettuce, not the romaine one, because they bolt very easily. Like, see, it's cheaper to get it at the local farmers market. This is $5.78. The one at the farmers market is $3 and slightly bigger. Got the plants, ponytail palm, majesty palm. They don't have much. This one is $20 and I have the Hoya Crimson Princess. Remember, I sold mine. I only have the Hoya Crimson Queen, but it's easy to find if I really want to replace it. But right now, I'm good. And pothos.
I just left Lowe's, but I got mulch. I got 5 bags of mulch. I picked out the red ones because that's what's already existing in the backyard. Not sure if I want red, but I don't see much of the black and brown, so I just got the red because someone also was helping me and I didn't want to like take his time too long, so I just, okay, the red one. And yeah, at Goodwill I didn't really see anything. At Marshall's I also didn't see anything. I did pick up a couple of stuff, like a couple of dog toys for my dog and a frother that I've been wanting for a long time. They're all on clearance, but at the farmer's market, I got the basil, rosemary. Oh, this is the rosemary. That one was the lavender. Kale. So this one is 4 in a pack and it's $2. So I think it was worth it, 50 cents each. So for the 11 by 2, I'm thinking of doing just like cold weather crops and then herbs, and then after that I'll switch it with this summer crops. So like for the tomatoes and peppers, I'm waiting to get them, so I didn't get them right away even though it's already available transplant wise. And those I might also try to grow from seed because they can get a little bit expensive if I buy them from transplant, and I have good success anyways growing them from seed. It just takes time and I just have to start now. So that's what I'm doing with the kale. Even though I have kale seeds at home, it's kind of like 3 years old already, but I also like just worth it buying the transplant because it's easier to grow that way and it's cold crop. So but if it doesn't grow fast enough, they might just bolt. That's why I try to like buy transplants and seedlings for like cold weather crops, and they're cheaper to buy anyways. And with the herbs, it depends on the herbs. Like I also kind of wanted to get the sage and something else, I think the dill, because those are kind of like, for me at least, hard to grow from seed. It's just easier to get them as like transplants or seedlings already and just grow it from there. But with the rosemary and lavender, I definitely want to get, because not only they are actually perennial, they come back every year. Basil is also nice to grow from seed, but then with the transplant, because they're so easy to propagate, it's worth buying the transplant too, because you can just propagate from that. So just pick the one that has like multiple plants in it. I'm gonna go home, unload all the stuff, and I might show the planting itself in a different video because I have to like plan out the garden bed, which I haven't had yet, which probably something that I should have done first before buying the plants. But I kind of knew what I already wanted in the garden in general, so I just made sure to not buy way too much. I hope you enjoyed this. Now to day in the life vlog, Easter edition, gardening edition, and I'm trying to have this video up by tomorrow, so you still have like a day and a half to catch the sale at Lowe's. So it ends on April 12th, so do take advantage of that, especially if you're doing a lot of outdoor gardening this year like I am. And even for indoor gardening, I think the soil is a good deal.
Out of the car and the plants are over there, but I think I'm gonna need more soil, so I definitely have to go get the soil by tomorrow, if not today, so that I can still avail the sale. But I'm gonna put the turf grass in here, the one that I got from my parents' place. They have like an extra one that they're not using, so we'll see how it fits in here. Not as big as I thought it would be, but a big enough space for Teddy and to kind of like cover the way that goes directly into the front door. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna cover it entirely anyways. This might just be enough, and I'll probably just put some like mulch around it. We will see.
But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please do subscribe. I come up with videos every week. And if you haven't yet, check out these videos up here until my next one. But until then, I see you. I appreciate you. Take care of yourself and each other, and have a plentiful day. Bye.